Replacing your Mazda 3 key fob battery from 2014 to 2018 models is simple and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. No reprogramming is needed. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. First, locate the small button or notch on the side of the key fob, opposite the key blade. Press or slide the release mechanism while gently pulling the two halves of the fob apart. The CR2032 battery sits inside. Gently pry it out, noting which side faces up with the positive symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob halves back together. Ensure the fob functions correctly by testing the lock and unlock buttons. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Also, ensure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery. Replace the battery every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if the remote range decreases. For environmental benefits, consider rechargeable CR2032 batteries. Always dispose of old batteries at recycling centers to prevent harm. Future key fobs may integrate more with smartphone apps, reducing the need for physical batteries. Regularly check for firmware updates through the My Mazda app to maintain optimal remote functions.